And let's say if while communication, if you have a fight with someone and that fight goes for, let's say, a couple of days or 4-5 days, how do you restart a conversation after having a fight? Be it a fight maybe with parents, or be it a fight with your partner, be it a fight with a friend, कोई भी fight. How do you restart the conversation?
It's always best to just vocalize your honesty. This same thing, like कि मुझे awkward हो रहा है शुरू करने में conversation. You can just vocalize that कि it's gonna be I'm feeling a little awkward having this conversation. I know it's awkward, just after this 5 days का radio silence, just suddenly talking about it, but I really think we need to talk. Just vocalizing that is one way to do it. The other way to depends on the dynamic with your person. ये बात हम हमारे पेरेंट्स के साथ बहुत जल्दी नहीं करते हैं कि I know it's awkward and let's discuss this ना, ऐसे we don't speak to our parents, most of us. तो वहाँ पे it can just be like, okay, you do something nice for them, maybe you make them a cup of coffee, cup of chai or whatever, maybe you go out somewhere, ठीक है, तो आप एक momentum मिल जाता है आपको, you're doing something together and then you can pick up the conversation somewhere. So the idea is momentum. क्या पहले momentum थोड़ा traction gain कर लो, then start talking about it. If you're very close to, like maybe it's a best friend, let's say, ठीक है, तो उसके साथ तो आप directly बात कर सकते, listen, we need to talk. Like this silence is very uncomfortable for me, and if I think if we let this fester for too long, things are going to get worse. Let's talk about it. And if you really care about the relationship as much, you will.
And how do you communicate, especially when people cut you off? So do you then stop communicating, or like what do you do? What can someone do in that situation?
If you and I have been friends for a long time and if you suddenly cut me off, ठीक है, I have a basic idea कि क्या हुआ होगा, उसको क्या बुरा लगा होगा. I have a basic idea, right? So for me, it's very important to understand what is your understanding of what happened. So this is something that I talk in so like right now I did a couple of batches of my masterclass, the art of fight, कि people avoid fights इस डर से कि वो रिश्ता डैमेज कर देगा. बट एक्चुअली अगर आप फाइट को अवॉइड करोगे तो यू जस्ट ब्रशिंग थिंग्स अंडर द रग until all of this piles up for a very long time, and then you're so resentful of each other that it just feels easy to cut off and break up, right? So पहली बात तो there's this repair method, right? MIS, the moment interpretation solution repair method that I've curated based on what I've learned on my own from my own lived experience as well as my experience with clients. MIS क्या होता है कि when you have gotten to the stage of repair in any argument, in any fight, you sit with each other. You basically, the first question that you ask is the M question, which is moment. What moment hurt you the most? Like there's like so much to go into, like based on personality types and but that's like a long discussion. But let's say we are disregarding personality types and all of that. But what moment hurt you the most? हमने इतनी सारी चीज़ हुई, आपको किस बात का बुरा लगा? ठीक है, आपको पता लग जाएगा किस बात का बुरा लगा. The second question is, what was your interpretation of that moment? What did you make of that moment? हम अगर दो लोग हैं, हम same moment को दो अलग तरीके से interpret कर सकते हैं. I'll give you an example. So let's say me and my best friend, so we have been best friends for like about 10 years, right? We are very similar as people, very similar. तो हमारा झगड़ा होता ही नहीं है कभी. आज तक शायद 10 साल में 2 बार हुआ होगा. But this one time, last time that we fought was, I was at home and I accidentally cut the call on him. Like we were on FaceTime call and I accidentally cut the call on him because another friend showed up at my door. So without warning him, that was my mistake. Without warning him, I just cut it like that. तो अभी उसको वो चीज़ बुरी लग गई. ठीक है, तो अभी the next morning, like 2-3 दिन तक तो I just kept calling him and didn't respond, nothing like that. I was like, something is seriously wrong. Then I call him one last time and I ask him, क्या हुआ? Like, why are you acting weird and cold and distant? Because we have that relationship that I can just directly ask him what's wrong. And he goes, he was just waiting for me to ask that question. He goes, how did you cut the call on my face just because your friend showed up? I don't matter to you or what, da da da. And then I'm like, really? Like over an accidental hang up? Itna drama? This was a while ago. Okay. Now, later on, and what started off as a normal conversation went to become like this whole full-blown drama, yelling at each other in 5 minutes. And we just both gave up. Like, nahi hoga, abhi band karo ye conversation, band karo ye call. One whole week goes by, radio silence, he doesn't call me, I don't call him, nothing. फिर एक हफ्ते बाद I am also calmer and I'm hoping he's also calmer. I call him and I'm like कि क्या हो गया, like what really hurt you, क्या हो गया, इतना क्या हो गया. And he goes, that I'm just so used to being a priority in your life that when you cut the call on my face without even warning me, especially because another friend showed up, so I just felt so small. And I just felt so unimportant that I just couldn't take it, right? And that's when it hit me. I was like, the main reason that I cut the call on his face without even warning him is because I consider him like family. And in my world, we don't explain to family. ये लिबर्टीज मैं अपनी फैमिली के साथ लेती हूँ. हम मस्ती करते हैं ना मम्मी डैडी के साथ, वो मम्मी यार बोल मत करो रखो. We take those liberties, depends on family dynamics, but in my world, in my family, I take those liberties with family. So he felt like family. So I thought I was so comfortable with him like that, right? But that felt like neglect to him, right? Same situation. So what felt like neglect to him was coming from a place of love from me. सेम एग्जैक्ट सिचुएशन है पर उसका इंटरप्रिटेशन बिल्कुल बैंग ऑपोजिट. 6 and 9 M and W. So like that. So पहले बात तो if you as my friend have cut me off, I need to first understand what made you do it. If I really care about fixing this relationship, right? So I need to understand, okay, what was the moment that hurt you the most? The M. I is what was your interpretation of that exact moment. समझ में आ गया. फिर उसके बाद आपको पता चलेगा कि S सोल्यूशन क्या है, क्या करना है. वो S आपको बैठ के साथ में डिस्कस करना है कि भाई देखो अभी अगर आपको बुरा लगा मैंने आप पे कॉल कट किया तो फिर अब क्या करना है आगे. तो नाउ ही ऑल्सो नोज माई पर्सपेक्टिव, आई ऑल्सो नो हिज पर्सपेक्टिव. वी कैन कम मिडिल वे कि चलो अभी आगे से आई एम नेवर गोना डू दिस अगेन. बट अगर कभी हो जाता है गलती से तो समझ जाना क्यों. डन डस्टेड, खत्म वो बात वहीं के वहीं.
MIS के केस में तो आई थिंक दिस इज अ वेरी परफेक्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ हेल्पिंग अस अंडरस्टैंड मोमेंट, इंटरप्रिटेशन, सॉल्यूशन.
MIS रिपेयर.
करेक्ट. व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज रिपेयर?
रिपेयर. It's the repair method. It's basically the name for it.
Repair. मेरे को लगा repair का भी कोई.
No. So MIS repair method, because fights are not bad. Avoiding them and not repairing after them is what hurts the relationship. Fights तो होने वाली है, हमेशा होगी. इनफैक्ट आई ऑलवेज से दिस कि रिलेशनशिप्स को ना एक पजल की तरह देखो कि योर रिलेशनशिप्स आर लाइक अ पजल एंड एवरी फाइट दैट यू हैव शोज यू द मिसिंग लिंक कि देखो यहाँ पे गड़बड़ है, यहाँ पे कुछ कमज़ोर है. सो अगर इफ़ दैट इज़ एवरीथिंग दैट आई गेट फ्रॉम अ फाइट इज़ डेटा कि यहाँ पे आप सेंसिटिव हो, यू आर ओनली एज स्ट्रॉन्ग एज योर वीकेस्ट लिंक, राइट? सो देन आई गेट टू फिक्स इट. And how do I fix it? Using the MIS repair method.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.